Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to start delivering with Uber Eats in the UK? Here's a quick guide. Open the Uber Eats driver app and log in with your account. Make sure your vehicle documents and bank details are set up. Tap Go to start receiving orders. The app will alert you when there's a delivery nearby. Tap Accept to pick up an order. Use the built-in GPS to find the restaurant and customer's location easily. Confirm the pickup, head to the drop-off location, and follow any delivery notes from the customer. Once delivered, swipe to complete. Your earnings update instantly, and you can cash out anytime. That's it. Drive safe and happy delivering. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.